Assalamualaikum. Today in this video we will discuss drugs and their classes used in heart failure and their mechanism of actions in heart failure. Firstly, let us see what is heart failure. Heart failure is a complex progressive disorder in which the heart is unable to pump sufficient blood to meet the needs of the body. Its cardinal symptoms are dyspnea, fatigue, and the fluid retentions. There are two types of heart failure. One is systolic failure, in which reduced mechanical pumping action, contractility, and also called heart failure with reduced ejection fractions. Other one is diastolic failure, in which there is stiffening and the loss of adequate relaxation, which playing a major role in reduced filling and the cardiac output. Ejection fraction may be normal in diastolic failure, even though stroke volume is significantly reduced. Diastolic failure, or also called heart failure with preserved ejection fractions. Goals of heart failure treatment are to alleviate symptoms, slow disease progression, and improve the survival. Now let us see drugs used in heart failure and their mechanism. Firstly, loop diuretics. Loop diuretics like furosemide and bumetanide are used in heart failure. Diuretics decrease sodium chloride and potassium chloride reabsorption in thick ascending limb of loop of Henle in the nephron. They decrease fluid volume, decrease preload, decrease pulmonary venous pressure, and relieve the symptoms of the heart failure, for example, edema. Thiazide diuretics like hydrochlorothiazide and metolazone decrease sodium chloride reabsorption in the distal convoluted tubules. They are used in heart failure and they act like loop diuretics. Potassium sparing diuretics. Drugs like spironolactone and eplerenone block cytoplasmic aldosterone receptors in collecting tubules of the nephron. They are used in heart failure by act like loop and thiazide diuretics. Angiotensin aldosterone system inhibitors. Drugs like captopril, benazepril, enalapril in ACE inhibitors, and losartan and valsartan in angiotensin receptor blockers used in heart failure by blocking angiotensin converting enzymes and angiotensin II receptors respectively. They are responsible for dilating of venules and arteries, improve renal blood flow, decrease fluid volume, relieve the symptoms of heart failure, promote reverse remodeling, and decrease morbidity and mortality. Vasodilators. There are following drugs include in vasodilators like hydralazine, which act by increases nitric oxide synthesis in the endothelium. Second one in vasodilator is azosorbide dinitrate, which release nitric oxides and activate guanylyl cyclates. Third one is nitrates, for example nitroglycerin. Fourth one is nesiteroid, which is natriuretic peptide, and the fifth one is nitroprusside, which is combined arterial and vasodilator. They are all used in heart failure and responsible for reduced cardiac afterload, leading to increased cardiac output, dilate the arterioles of the kidney, leading to increased renal perfusion and fluid loss. They decrease blood pressure, decrease preload, and relieve the symptoms of heart failures, for example, dyspnea. Beta-adrenergic blockers. Drugs like metoprolol, bisoprolol, and carvedilol blocks beta-1 receptors. They are used in heart failure by promoting reverse remodeling, decrease afterload, inhibit sympathetic nervous system, and decrease morbidity and mortality. Positive inotropes. Beta-adrenergic agonists like dopamine and dobutamine, phosphodiesterase inhibitors like milrinone, and digitalis glycosides like digoxins belongs to a class of positive inotropes. Beta-adrenergic agonists increase contractility and increase cardiac output. Phosphodiesterase inhibitors increase heart rate and produce mild vasodilation, and digoxin increase stroke volume, cardiac output, and promote the vasodilations. They are all used in heart failures. Other drugs which are also used includes morphine. It decreases the anxiety and decreases the preload and afterload. Antidysarrhythmic drugs which prevent or treat dysarrhythmia, and the other one is anticoagulants which prevent thromboembolism and recommended for patients with as ejection fraction less than 20% or atrial fibrillations. So these are the drugs which are used in heart failure. At the end, shortly summarize the classes of the drugs which are used in heart failures. It includes loop diuretics, thiazide diuretics, potassium sparing diuretics, renin-angiotensin aldosterone system inhibitors, in which there is ACE inhibitors and ARBs inhibitors, vasodilators, beta-adrenergic blockers, positive inotropes, antiarrhythmics and anticoagulants drugs.